Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Amerex number 14849A hose and horn assembly for model A402, A402T, B402, and B402T. And this video will serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the hose and horn assembly. Overall length, as you can see, just about 13 inch or so, 13 and an eighth. The aluminum fitting on the end with the O-ring. Your horn assembly is here. The diameter, the outside diameter at least, of the hose, 0.683. 0.683 outside diameter. Outside diameter of the threads at the end, 0.371. 0.371. Overall projection from the shoulder, 0.248. 0.248 from here to the tip. Okay. Length of the horn itself, about 2 inch. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, where you will be able to review. It really should be called the parts diagram, and by the time you're seeing this video it will be retitled parts diagram. If you were to search that document for the 14849A, you're going to find the one instance where it occurs. It will give you a compatibility list of several other model numbers in addition to the ones that I mentioned earlier. Got to be a couple of dozen models or 3 dozen models that it's compatible with there. The handy thing about that document, the parts drawing, is that you can review all of the other possible replacement parts that you might need for the rebuild project that you're obviously engaged in. Valve stems are very common. Valve stem springs are common. Part number 9, the collar O-ring, all of it's pretty common. The handles less so. Pull pins less so. But your hose and horn assembly, your nozzles, your valve stems, springs, 13 is your siphon tube assembly. All that very common. You run the unit enough and you're certainly going to need to maintain it and replace some parts. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Amerex products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Amerex? This is their part number 14849A horn and hose assembly, or any other Amerex product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.